Welcome to this introduction of the personal practice. What we are creating here is your very own personal practice, and this is really exciting because you've learned so much about the physical asanas and breathing and moving your body that we're going to incorporate more tools to connect your mind, your body, and your spirit so that you can begin to live in bliss and have even more tools available to let go and bring amazing things into your life. So I will be here in the background as you move through your very own personal practice. I'm here with you 100% of the way. You can play gentle music in the background, or you can mute this video as well as you progress through your practice. I just want you to know that I'm here for you, and we will be doing some of the exercises together, as you will see. So one of the first things that I recommend when you do your personal practice is to make sure you have quiet space for yourself, as always, as you do in any practice. But make sure that it's quiet, relaxing. As you see, I have candles going, I have pillows, I have blankets, plants, things that make me happy. I have a warm sweater on and warm socks so I can be nice and cozy so that you can get the most out of this. You want to feel safe and you want to feel good. So surround yourself with those things that make you feel positive. Every personal practice, I will start by bringing in a positive quote. I like to do this so that I can pull in some positivity right away. The second thing that I will do throughout the personal practice is go over our journey journal. So we'll go over the entries as well as write in the journal, and I'll explain to you a little bit about that in a moment. The third thing that we will do is a little bit of stretching or any type of physical movement that makes you feel good. So as you know, for this course, you have a class before and after the personal practice. So you want to just listen to your body and challenge yourself as little or as much as you want to. Personally, I like to be gentle and do more of a restorative class, as I have two more challenging classes on either side. But listen to your body and do what feels best. And lastly, at the end of every personal practice, we will do a meditation. And this is a guided meditation. So it's to begin to bring in inner awareness and to have more creative experiences. So backing up just a little bit, I will explain the journey journal to you, and I'll explain this addendum that we're going to be doing together. So the very first question is 3 things that you're grateful for. The reason that we have this incorporated in the practice is because gratitude is one of the most highest energies that you can access to change your life. If you read any personal transformation or manifestation instructions from any spiritual teachers or any spiritual books or any books at all on how to manifest the life that you want, you'll notice that gratitude is on the top of the list. The reason that gratitude works so well, again, is because it's of the highest frequencies, it's of the highest emotions, and the universe brings to us what we are. So that gets into the law of attraction a little bit, but we attract what we are. So if we are grateful, the universe gives us more things to be grateful for. So we are going to be practicing gratitude to begin to change our lives. So all of those things that you desire, as we become more grateful for everything that we already have, and we feel good about all of those things that we already have, the world around you will start to change and manifest, and you will have an amazing, these amazing changes in your life. Whatever your heart desires, you will see these changes take place. So secondly, on this journey journal addendum is postures. So we want to keep track of postures that are easy for you and postures that feel really good, or postures that are more challenging. The more challenging postures is where you are going to find your growth. So if you've ever grown in any way, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, you know that on the other side of challenge or frustration is growth. So keep that in mind as you fill out this form. You're going to know that you can resort to a challenging pose in your personal practice if you want to grow a little, if you want to work on that, because all attempts at a pose or a posture are progress. So just keep track of these. It will also help you when you build your personal practice, what you enjoy, what you maybe want to practice less of, or maybe you've outgrown certain poses for the time being. So it's a really great resource for you to keep track of your own physical postures. And third on this list is intentions and your goals for the day. So this is really helpful because intention is huge. If we have the right intentions, we'll bring the right things into our lives, and we can accomplish our goals a lot more. So your intention might be to smile more. Your intention might be to deepen a practice within a class. Your intention might be to speak to certain family members, or to focus on your heart center, or to focus on your breathing. Your intention might be to accomplish something within your career. No matter what your intention is, if you say, this is my intention for the day, or this is my goal, that energy is going to bring itself into fruition and actually help you create those things. So you're bringing awareness into what you intend. Intention is amazing. Like if you've ever, around Christmas time, somebody will send a gift and maybe it's not the greatest gift, or maybe they weren't able to come up with a lot of money to spend. The intention behind the giving is an amazing thing. They're giving something that's priceless, no matter what. So just think of that when you think of your intention. The intentions are huge, and we're going to practice that so that you can begin to incorporate that into your practice. And lastly, on the Journey Journal addendum is the progress. We want to be able to use your journey journal to keep track of your practice, keep track of anything and everything without judgment, so that you have this outlet for your emotions. As I've said in other classes, your body holds on to emotions and tension within the muscle, and we're moving the body to loosen these things up, and we're moving the energy so that they can free from our energetic being. And we want to use every tool that we can to speed the process along. So if you have an outlet like journaling, it's going to help you out a lot. So for example, if you've had a rough day, or if you are sad, write it in your journal without judgment. You don't have to look back at it. Nobody else has to read it. You can do whatever you want with it, but the important thing is that you're using it as a tool of expression so that the stuff doesn't stay inside. So you can also look back at it and say, wow, I've grown a lot. And I do recommend that. Sometimes I will put a journal on a shelf and I won't look at it for 2 years, but it's also really nice to look back and say, wow, I got through that. So we are going to be working on our journaling as well. So make sure that you have all the tools that you need for your practice. You will learn more about what these are as you progress. And let's get started with your first class.